let's say you had 5 plus, no, I'm using 5 too much, right? Let's say we had 10 plus 5, no, I'm using 5 again, 4x equals 22. One thing you should notice is if you have a 10 here, it's a positive number, right? So it has an imaginary plus sign in front, okay? I am going to explain this question. So well done. The first thing that we have to do is I have the plus 10, move it to my right side, it becomes a minus 10. So I have minus 10 there, right? Then I didn't do anything to 4x, so 4x equals 22 minus 10. 4x equals 12. Then I have to move my 4. Remember, it's 4 times, so it's going to be divided by 4. I have x equals 12 divided by 4. X equals 3. Okay,